Welcome to Banana Bread Trades. Here we talk about trading futures. Shit post on Discord, post dank memes, and most importantly, eat banana bread and make money.
Welcome everyone to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose and welcome back to another episode of Market Recap and tomorrow's trade plan. And we're going to talk about a little bit what we traded today, which wasn't much, as well as what our plan is for tomorrow, which is pretty much the same as it was yesterday, which is the same as what it was Sunday. And for Monday, you know, we made the plan Sunday, then we traded Monday. That's how it goes. So let's hop right into it. Today, just kind of not much happened. We didn't go get that 53.19 level we wanted on ES. However, NQ was showing some nice, pumpage right out of opening range. Lots of buyers. We were at the bottom of the kind of multi-day range we had. So I went ahead and I caught some long out of the opening range. This was very light. I think my max leverage on this was 3 MNQ. So like I said, it's very, very light. I know it's copy traded amongst a bunch of accounts, but even then, leverage was really light. We weren't at much risk here. Below opening range, we would have been stopped out and our loss would have been somewhere around $120. So not much risk on the table, not a huge amount of reward either because we're pretty light. And because we're not catching our 53.19 level, we're not holding big runners for these long, huge trades. So really just a nice quick scalp right here off the morning. And then later in the afternoon, I switch over to my ES account because obviously we're not taking any trades on ES. And I caught 2 more shorts on NQ as well, or MNQ as well. These were only 2 MNQ, so very light trades. I switch back and forth. I copy trade 10 at a time on my Apex accounts. So like I said, I hit a nice long this morning in my NQ account. So we flip over to the ES account because we're not going to take a trade in ES. Let's try to get something on the board. 2 good trade opportunities came up. We took 2 shorts. And then so all 20 accounts had, a little bit of a P&L today. This short here, I know I talked about not shorting at all-time highs, but also we're not really taking nice swing shorts. We're just scalping shorts. So it's not like it's that big of a deal. These 2 shorts were just based off of the bottom of the bull zone here using Rocket Scooter. I really expected today to stay within this range. I took these 2 shorts just bouncing off of gap fill as well as, the bottom of that bull zone. And then I told everyone and myself that, okay, I've taken these 2 shorts. I took along the day. That's 3 trades on the day. We're going to go ahead and wait until 53.19 is ticked because I thought we were going to sell off right here. And then I'll go ahead and snag maybe a long if we get that. But we ended up buying up. I didn't take another short. I was out after that. So that ended up being our day and kind of a weird close. We closed at all-time highs. So let's go ahead and talk now about what we're going to look forward to here. So we closed at all-time highs. We flipped the POC all the way up here to the high volume node, all the way here at all-time highs. POC of the swing move is at all-time highs. So this is something to kind of keep note of this range right here that we're in. This has become the major pivot point of this move. So whatever direction we go from here, the return to here will be either the top or the base of our next move. And it's looking like we're probably going to break out now. Do I know that for sure? I don't even have a position on right now. I'm just watching. Our original plan was we wanted to get long on a pullback to 53.19. We didn't get that. We front ran that by a few points today. So because we front ran it, I didn't get long, and now we're just kind of sitting here waiting. We do have NVIDIA earnings after close tomorrow. And we also have FOMC meeting minutes. FOMC meeting minutes, I don't expect to really bring too much to the table. They could if they drop some new news, but I don't expect any new news in tomorrow's minutes. Just them talking more about, that they're not going to raise rates, but they aren't going to cut rates anytime right away, unless we get some really great CPI data in. But at the moment, it's just kind of, holding pace. So at the moment, it kind of looks like it's going to break out. I'm not playing this breakout. I'm still sticking to our original plan that we talked about of I want to see 53.19 wicked first. So a move down here to the bottom of the range, wick this, clean all this up, clean up today's POC, clean up Friday's POC. And then maybe I'll start to look for a long if we can reclaim those levels. If not, we get a pullback, clean out CPI, the CPI move, reclaim the CPI move, then catch a long, or come all the way down here to 52.50, which in my opinion is the uptrend base. Like, as far as this being an uptrend, if we lose this level and don't reclaim, then the uptrend is lost. So that will be a very important point right here as well. I'm not just longing this blindly though. I'm only longing if we can wick it and then reclaim, because that is just a major, major point right there. So that's currently what we're looking at, and we're just in kind of a holding pattern, waiting move. I'm not longing the top. I'm not longing at the high of all-time highs. I'm going to wait and see what happens tomorrow. If we wick 53.19, then we'll start looking for a trade, and I'll even post on Twitter and on Discord as well, like if I decide to get in a nice swing trade here. But if not, we'll continue. Excuse me. If not, we will just continue looking for some scalps on M and Q. And I mean, this is the perfect kind of scalping market. It's a very rangy market. The top is pretty well defined. The lows are pretty well defined. You can play tight as well as, you know, just take profit. You don't have to worry really about holding runners. And that's what we're doing. We're not holding runners. We're just kind of catching these small base moves on light leverage. And this is the type of market to do that in. So I'm very happy with myself as well for being able to kind of identify this market and not get myself all chopped up, because a rangy market is generally not my strong suit. I like playing trends, as you guys have seen. But, you know, having these multiple different accounts, it kind of allows me to be patient with my swing account, or the accounts that I use for my swing trades, as well as also kind of scalp around while I'm waiting. And, you know, we're not scalping around a lot. Like I said, today I took 3 trades. I think yesterday I took like 4 or 5. Like, that's kind of the most amount of trades I'm going to get in a day. And even then, it feels like a lot. I'd rather just have my one trade, but the market isn't going to give me the opportunity to get into that right now. So that's kind of what we're not necessarily forced to do, but you know, there are some good setups in this range to play, so I'm going to play them. So that's all I got for now. Like I said, the plan is still the same. We're waiting on 53.19, and if it breaks out and it goes without us, that is completely okay. I am not abandoning this plan until after Thursday. I want to see all that news come in. I want to see Nvidia earnings come in, jobless claims come in. All of that volatility needs to happen, and us continue trending higher and really break out and form some new structure up higher before I abandon this plan. So as of right now, like I said, sometimes we just have to wait for our setup, and that's what we're doing. So everyone, I hope you stay safe, have fun. Tomorrow might be tough, but don't get yourself liquidated. Wait till after Thursday, and hopefully, you know, the market gets a little bit easier, or at least we get some really good structure formed. We're forming some nice structure right now. So yeah, hopefully give us a couple days here. We'll get some really good plays in, or hopefully one of these plays, you know, kick off. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
Two teaspoons vanilla extracts, 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar. Consult for brown sugar to change it up. 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cinnamon. Bake for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. After you pull it out of the oven, immediately cover it in tin foil and leave set at room temperature overnight. The tin foil locks in the moisture so that when you cut into it, the next day you have a super moist and delicious bread. And that's how you make the world's best banana bread. Eat banana bread, make